Alright guys, well, as you guys saw, I figured out how to put it in the well, I didn't quite figure out how to put it in the right order, so this video is going to be a little jumbled again. I'm going to do a lot more research in this upcoming day, but the good news is, now you can see what the tree looks like, so you guys can tell me if you do want the bird watching video or not. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Leave some more comments. Leave a lot of comments this time. This time we're going for 100 comments. 10 comments per view. Okay? Alright, guys. Over. Hey guys, I'm back here with two really big updates. One of them is I figured out how to put videos in a different order now, so I can hopefully put this at the end. Well, I haven't tested it yet, but I think I can put this in a different order. And another thing is I can focus through. I just figured out where to click. Thanks, like and subscribe. Hey guys, I was trying to make a bird watching video because there's some good birds in there, but I keep having this issue where I can't focus on the tree. I keep focusing on the screen, see? And I don't know, and I don't know why it's happening. And it's really freaking me out, and I can't bypass it or anything of that sort. And I was wondering if you guys would be able to help me. Because I think you guys would like a bird watching video. It wouldn't be anything too fancy, you know, just some bird watching. There's a mourning dove in that tree. There's probably other birds. I don't know, a lot of birds. Sometimes I even see a dog around. I could show you guys that too. Leave comments below if you'd rather see a dog or a bird or both, and if you want to see dogs or birds. Also leave a comment if you don't want to see dogs or birds. Leave comments. You guys didn't leave comments on the other two videos I released, the messed up version or the fixed version, which is really, I don't know guys, I thought you were the best fan base ever, but now you're not leaving comments. But our video really blew off. As of right now, it already has 66 views. It's really blown off. I wish you guys could see the tree better. That would probably help you guys know if it's worth it. But maybe if you guys want, I can make another video where I take a video of the tree itself, so you guys know if you want a bird watching video. It could be a long one, it could be a short one. I could clip together a montage of pictures of birds I can see from here. Something like that. So comment, please comment on my previous video. Comment on the video, like the two that came out. Comment on both of them. I don't know why you guys didn't. Tell me what you guys think of this one, what you guys thought of that one, what you guys think of a bird watching one. Just start commenting. Oh wow, I didn't know I could get that bright. Can I get that dark? Man, my editor got me a really good camera, huh? Alright, so let me know if you guys want to see the tree. I want to see the tree better. Let me know if you know how to bypass the screen field. Sayonara. Or bye. I'm not sure if I used it right. Let me know if that...